This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Great home and awesome location for easy freeway access. Bonus room perfect for office. Huge laundry room. Spacious main bedroom with tray ceiling with 2 closets in bathroom. Roof replaced in 2020. Refrigerator to convey as is at no value. Seller will offer a $2,000 flooring allowance with acceptable offer. See agent remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-7474.